This is a real wartime scenario in Syria's north. The Syrian National Army is carrying out a military drill, implementing tactics and strategies that they hope to use against the YPG as part of a potential operation to rid the region of its presence, at least to the west of the river. What we're looking at right now is there are a number of different technologies that are in the hands of the Syrian National Army, and they are spreading out from different flanks, all focused on one single target. As part of this operation, tanks were used, artillery shells, even missiles that are in their inventory as well. This speaks volumes. It's basically sending a message to their enemies in the region saying we're capable, we're ready at a moment's notice. And that's the issue there, right? A moment's notice. The Turkish president expressed his interest for a potential operation, and if and when that goes ahead, the Turkish military will provide logistical and aerial support, while much of the Syrian National Army and the Syrian opposition carry out the operation on the ground.
We fought shoulder and shoulder with the Turkish armed forces and liberated 3 regions: the Peace Spring, Olive Branch, and Euphrates Shield operations regions. There are continuous attempts to infiltrate into these regions by the PYD and the PKK. Hopefully, after we take these regions, this area will be more comfortable and safe. The people will be able to return to their own neighborhoods, to their own districts, and to their own villages.